Experiencing lavender ice cream in Biei. Welcome to Biei, a picturesque town in Hokkaido, famous for its rolling hills, colorful flower fields, and iconic landscapes that have appeared in countless Japanese commercials. This place is often called the canvas of the earth, and once you step here you'll understand why. Among the highlights of Biei is the summer lavender season. Walking through the fields, the air is filled with a gentle, soothing fragrance. The endless waves of purple blend into the horizon, meeting the deep green forests and the clear blue sky. It feels like stepping into a painting. But here in Biei, you don't just see the lavender, you taste it. One of the most delightful experiences is enjoying a lavender-flavored ice cream. The soft serve comes in a delicate shade of pastel purple, melting slowly with a hint of floral sweetness. The moment you take a bite, the cool creaminess combines with the gentle aroma of lavender, creating a flavor that is both refreshing and calming, almost like eating summer itself. As the Japanese novelist Natsume Seki once wrote in Kusumakura Grass Pillow, the scenery has no tongue, yet it speaks. It tells us to let go of worry and simply feel. Standing here with lavender ice cream in hand, those words truly come alive. For the full experience, you can enjoy your ice cream while overlooking the famous blue pond nearby, where turquoise waters mirror the trees like a dream. Together, the lavender fields and the blue pond create a harmony of color and tranquility that can heal the soul. So, when you come to Hokkaido, don't just take pictures. Take a moment to slow down. Taste the lavender ice cream, and let Biei remind you how sweet and beautiful life can be.